Ever feel like you're losing arguments faster than a bad Wi-Fi connection drops your Zoom calls? Or maybe you're overwhelmed trying to separate facts from fiction in the age of infinite information. Well, what if I told you that mastering one skill can boost your brain power, win debates, and help you see the world more clearly than ever? Yep, I'm talking about logic and critical thinking. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll be ready to crush it in conversations without being a know-it-all. So hold on tight. I'm about to teach you the secrets to logical ways of winning arguments from my own life experiences over the years. And yeah, just in case you're wondering, I do have a winning record. So what is logic anyway? Well, it's not just something that Spock from Star Trek talks about. Logic is about thinking clearly and consistently, kind of like organizing your messy sock drawer, but for your intellect. Logic helps you figure out what's true by following the rules of reasoning. It's the tool that separates smart decisions from the maybe I shouldn't have eaten that gas station sushi type of decisions. Critical thinking takes it a step further by helping you question assumptions and detect faulty arguments. Here's the how-tos list. 1. How to spot faulty reasoning. 2. How to construct stronger arguments. 3. How to make smarter decisions. Let's learn these, and trust me, people will start noticing when you're suddenly the one who always seems to have all the facts straight. Alright, time to build your logical toolkit. Every solid argument has two things, premises and conclusions. Think of premises as the building blocks that support your main point, kind of like when your friend insists pineapple belongs on pizza. Controversial, I know. Now it's example time. Premise 1, all humans are mortal. Premise 2, Socrates is a human. Conclusion, therefore Socrates is mortal. Boom! See, there it is. That's deductive reasoning in action. It's rock solid. But there's also inductive reasoning, which looks at patterns to make general conclusions. It's like noticing that your cat runs away every time you grab the vacuum, so you assume that's just what cats do. But wait, there's more. Enter abductive reasoning, where you take the best guess based on evidence. This is Sherlock Holmes's favorite method, and it's how scientists make discoveries. Oh, and watch out for logical fallacies. These sneaky errors can derail arguments faster than a toddler's tantrum at bedtime. Quick examples. Straw man. Misrepresenting someone's argument to attack it. Ad hominem, attacking the person instead of their idea. False dilemma. Hey, it's either my way or the highway, buddy. Yeah, well, not so fast. There's usually a third option. Here's where things get really cool. Logic isn't just for arguments. It can make you smarter in everyday life. Analytical skills. You'll spot patterns faster than your grandma spots a bargain. Memory boost. By organizing information logically, you'll retain it longer, like knowing exactly where your favorite snacks are hidden. Then there's creativity. Wait, creativity and logic? Yep, once you understand the rules, you can break them in clever ways. Okay, so how do you actually win arguments without turning into that person everyone avoids at parties? Well, here's the game plan. Number 1. Prepare your case research and gather evidence. Imagine you're going into a debate armed with facts instead of just, opinions. Number 2, always stay cool and calm. Yeah, just so you know, emotional outbursts are a one-way ticket to your opponent saying, let's just agree to disagree. Instead, stay calm, listen carefully, and respond respectfully. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Sarcasm is not a valid debate strategy. Trust me. Number 3, structure your argument. Use the classic premise, evidence, conclusion format. Here's an example. Premise. Regular exercise improves mental health. Evidence. Studies show exercising reduces anxiety and depression. Conclusion. Therefore, exercise is good for overall mental well-being. Boom! You win. The mic drops. It's that easy with logic on your side. Number 4. Avoid logical fallacies. When you see a fallacy, politely call it out. It's like saying, hey, I'm not falling for that trick. Number 5. Know your audience. Tailor your approach. Some people love data. Others might respond to stories or emotional appeals. Find that sweet spot. Here's a twist. The best thinkers aren't afraid to be wrong. Logic helps you test your beliefs and grow. Ask yourself questions like, what's the evidence for this? Could I be wrong? Are there other perspectives? Engaging with people who disagree with you is a superpower. It's like leveling up your brain. When you're logical and fair, people will respect you more. Clear communication builds trust. Instead of yelling or interrupting, you'll be the calm, rational voice in the room. And hey, that's pretty attractive too. Plus, logical thinking helps you resolve conflicts by focusing on solutions instead of blame. Everyone loves a problem solver. So are you ready to sharpen those mental muscles? Try this. Read about logic. There are plenty of great books on reasoning. Practice. Analyze arguments in news articles, social media posts, or debates. Debate. Have friendly discussions. It's a fun way to improve. Reflect after making decisions, evaluate what worked and what didn't. So there you have it. Logic and critical thinking are your secret weapons for getting smarter, winning arguments, and understanding the world. The more you practice, the sharper you'll get. And hey, next time someone tries to argue about pineapple on pizza, you'll be ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who you think could use a little extra brain power. And comment below and type the code word SMART in all caps, and I'll send you a free copy of my Getting Smarter guide. Okay then, see you next time.